Hi there, and thank you for your question. So you want to convert 560 hectometers to decimeters. Here's our hectometers here, and here's our decimeters in terms of the metric ladder. And I like to use the metric ladder because it puts all of our prefixes for our metric units in the right order and also gives us our conversion factors as well. So you're right. When you want to convert hectometers to decimeters, one way you can do that is by converting hectometers to meters first and then meters to decimeters. So to do that, what you're going to do is you are going to set up your solution with what you're given first, which is 560 hectometers. And our answer is going to be in decimeters. And what we want to do first is multiply by a conversion factor that uses meters. So we're going to multiply by a conversion factor, and a conversion factor is always in fraction form. So we're going to have meters on the top and hectometers on the bottom. And the reason why we're doing that is so that we can cancel out the hectometers, leaving our meters. So that gives us that conversion from hectometers to meters when we use the conversion factor here. And to figure out our numbers, we will use 1 for our meter, and then hectometers are equal to 0.01 meters. So we're going to put that down at the bottom right there. So 1 meter is equal to 0.01 hectometers. That's the first one. Then we're going to multiply again because all we've done is convert to meters. Now we need to convert meters to our decimeters. So we're going to use another conversion factor. This time we're going to put meters on the bottom in order to cancel them out, and we're going to put decimeters on the top. And this will be the only unit that's not canceled out and therefore remains in our answer. Now we go back again. We have 1 meter here, and 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. So we're going to put a 10 here. Then what we do is now we can put into our calculator, we can multiply across the top. So we'll do 560 times 1, which is 560, times 10. That's going to give us 5,600 on the top. And then on the bottom, we have 0.01 times 1 is 0.01. And then we will divide this. So 5,600 divided by 0.01 is equal to, I don't think I did that right. 5,600 divided by 0.01 is equal to 560,000 decameters. So 560 hectometers converted to decameters is 560,000 decameters. So that's using the conversion factors to get to here, and the conversion factors you get from the metric ladder. Another way I could do this is I could put I'm at hectometers here, so I could put 560 hectometers, and then I could see how far to move my decimal place down to get to deci. So I go 1, 2, 3 jumps. So 1, that's my decimal, 2, 3 jumps gives me my hectometers, or how many decimeters there are in hectometers. So it's the same answer, doing it this way using conversion factors and doing it this way. Let me give you another example. Let's say that I have 356,000 centimeters, and I want to convert that to kilometers. So the first thing I'm going to do is give myself a little bit more room. I'm going to need to go from centimeters to meters to kilometers with my conversion factors. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to meters. So meters go on top and centimeters go on bottom from that conversion factor, just so that I can cancel them out. I can only cancel if I have the units opposite each other. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So that's my first conversion factor. Next, I'm going to go from meters to kilometers. So my next conversion factor is my meters to kilometers. Meters again go on the bottom in order to cancel it out so that I leave kilometers in my answer. And 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometers. Now, using my calculator, I can put 356,000 times 1. Nothing happens, or it's the same answer, and then I'll times it by 0.001, and that's going to give me 356 on the top, and then on the bottom I'll multiply across. 100 times 1 gives me 100, and then when I divide 356 divided by 100, it gives me 3.56 kilometers as my answer. That's using conversion factors. Or I could start here at 356,000 centimeters here. I'm going to change my color, and this time I'm going to move my decimal to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My new decimal goes here. So 356,000 centimeters becomes 3.56 kilometers. Same answer that I got over here. So I hope that helps. You can just write this on a piece of paper so that you have it. Make sure you put your numbers in so you know that there's 1,000 milliliters in a meter, 100 centimeters in a meter, 10 decimeters in a meter, and then 0.1 decameters in a meter is 0.1 decameters, a hectometer is 0.01 meters, and then a kilometer is 0.001 meters. And that will help you with the conversion factors, and you can also use the steps to move your decimal. Going down the steps means moving your decimal right. Going up the steps means moving your decimal left. So I hope that helps. Practice is definitely needed, and if you have a question that you're stumbling on, just let me know. Bye for now.